Hi friends, this is Romeo the Professor. The market is up. I'm in my Orca platform right now. Follow, subscribe, share, and like this video. So we know that I'm in double dips. I'm in SAMO, USDC, and I'm in ABR. So those are the two that I'm in heavy, okay? SAMO is a meme coin. ABR is a coin that bridge, okay? And then when I click on my liquidity, we know that I'm in heavy Orca Sol, and then I got a little SAMO Sol right here also, $6,000, okay? So I am going to look at my coin market cap and see where I'm at. So in R-Bridge, today alone, R-Bridge just relaxed. Where the market's going crazy, R-Bridge just relaxed. So R-Bridge, as we see, it just stayed still. And so we leave it alone. We go to SAMO. SAMO, in other words, when we refresh, it did 25%. Where if we look at the last 7 days, it's basically a little bit above where it was at the last 7 days, because 7 days it was right at 19 cents. It's a little bit above. We look at the month, it's right at its kind of all-time high. If we look at it, it's not fully, but it's close, where right here you see the line. But if we look to see from its all-time high where it was, we see that it's 17% from its all-time high. So, and then let's look at Orca, see where Orca's at. Okay, let's do a refresh here. Orca's at 8%, that's respectable. And we look at what we have here. Star Atlas, I'm not really looking at it because I have portfolio in it, but I'm not fully loaded, so I can let that ride. And then we have Solana, a mother coin. It did 11%. So, but let's see, Solana from its all-time high is right at 20%. So I'm gonna leave Solana alone. And all my pools, SAMO USDC is paying me 280%. So that's good money. Where SAMO Sol, I could click here, liquidity. SAMO Sol is paying me 104. So, and how much money I have in stable coins here. When I look, follow, subscribe, share. This is how I know if it's time to start putting money to the side in stable coins, depending on the market. I cannot ever be right. So right now, this SAMO USDC, I'm going to drop it to, it's 35,000. I'm going to drop it to 15,000. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but I'm doing that, okay? So I'm going to, apologize. I'm going to, right now, hold on. I'm going to make it harvest on dip. Okay, give me 1 second. So I harvest on dip, and now I got to go to where it says liquidity. And I go to it right here. SAMO USD right here. I click withdraw, and I want to withdraw and probably leave about 10,000 in it. So I'm withdrawing 25,000. Okay, so now I withdraw that. And now I have it in here. Romeo the Professor, follow, subscribe, share. So you see it's 12,000 here and USD 12,000. So now I'm going to put it in SAMO. No, I'm gonna put it in Orca Sol. So I'm gonna go to here, exchange, and I'm gonna flip it, and I'm gonna put SAMO right here. Okay, and I'm gonna use Orca, and I'm gonna, it says 64702, so I'm gonna do 20 right there, and it's charging me high 3 points rate. Oh, that's high. So let me see if I do a so what is charging me. Give me a second to That's high. So I'm just gonna USDC it. Let's see what charged me. Anyway you look at it, it's high. I am Romeo the Professor. So that's 3%, so that means 12,920. I'm losing about $500. But it went, so $500 of 12,000, that's 3%. It did 25% today, so it is what it is, people. Put it in stablecoin. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share this video. So what I'm showing you is how I'm putting it into stablecoin, and then I'm going to enter this pool, not SAMO Sol, Orca Sol, because Orca is down and Solana is increasing. So now I go to exchange, because if we flip it, you'll see I'm loaded. I got 25,000 here, and I want to put it in Orca. So I want to do, I'm going to do 4,000 in Orca. And I'm being charged not too much, so that's perfect. So let me do 5,000 in Orca. Okay, because remember I pulled 25,000 to the side. And then once this goes through, 1 second, follow, subscribe, share. I'm Romeo the Professor. So what I'm doing is I took SAMO, which is close to an all-time high, which is 15% from its all-time high. This is not going through. Hold on. Let me click pool. Let me click exchange. And let me click 5,000. Let's see if it goes through. $20. Because I want to make sure that I keep my winnings. Okay. So let me do Solana here. And let me put 5,000. So what I'm doing is I want to make sure I keep my winnings. So I'm switching my SAMO. It was 25,000, but I'm only putting 10,000 into the pool that says Orca Sol, which you're about to see me do now. So I click pool, and I go to the one that says Orca Sol, and I click deposit. 430. Or it haven't went through. Orca, let's see if Orca went through. Let's see. Give me a second. Orca's 5,000, so it did went through. So now I can do it. So I click pool, Orca Sol, deposit. Hold on, 430. Orca. It's supposed to be more. Give me a second. Let me go to exchange and then pool. It's not loading up. Orca Sol, deposit. It's not loading up. So I know it's here. It's just not reading it. See, I got Orca here, 5,000. Okay, so it's 430 Orca. Oh yeah, maybe it is. Let me see, deposit. Yeah, it is now. 430 Orca, perfect. Okay, and then 28 Sol, 915. I'm comfortable with that. So that means I'm putting $10,000 back into the market. Okay, now that doesn't mean I'm right or wrong. That just means I say let me be cautious because it went there. Okay, so now I have to the side about 15,000, which I'm going to click double dip now. Hold on, I'm click liquidity. I'm gonna put this back in double dip. Hold on, right here. Hold on. Double dip here. I'm putting it back because I wanted to double dip. So now you will see my SAMO USDC. It has 10,000 when it used to have 35,000. So I'm comfortable with that. And if the market goes up, oh well, the market goes up. So right here, it says 1992. If it keeps going up, it is. If it drops, then I'm going to buy into it, okay? So we see that. So now let me go to my platform again. So liquidity, 205, 94. Okay, so let me put another 5,000 here to make it even 3,000. So again, we know that, let me put another 5,000 into, I think I'm putting another 5,000 into SAMO Sol, another, your liquidity, hold on, not SAMO Sol, you know something? No, leave SAMO Sol alone, into Orca Sol, that's what I meant, another 5,000. So, I go to exchange, USD Sol, so I need 2,500. Okay. And then now, I do Orca once it goes through. Orca, 2,500. Okay, you seeing me? Follow, subscribe, share, and like this video. I know it's a little long, just bear with me because I'm protecting my money that I made from SAMO. So Orca Sol, let's buy some. So we do 219. Okay, that's 5,090. I'm comfortable with that. A screenshot. A deposit. Okay, so I'm not putting in USDC here, so I'm buying that. But now I got 211 and 94, so that should be 300,000. So I'm comfortable with that. So now let me make sure I didn't miss any of my double dips. Everything's double dip. Cool. So I got 300,000 out, and how much is in here? 10,000. I'm kind of cool with that for now. So that's my profit. So with that 10,000, I'm gonna do whatever I want to do with it, so that I can enjoy myself and say that, okay, I'm in the cryptocurrency market and let me enjoy myself because I worked hard. So I'm basically leaving close to 300,000 in here, 94,000 here, and then 211 here. And then that 10,000 I'm going to move. Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share. And the reason why I removed some majority of my SAMO is because it touched 19 and it's at, I believe, a resistance here, because once it piles here, it's going to go to 30.030, because right now it's at 0.019, and I think once it piles, it's going to go to 0.030. Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share, and that's why I'm in the platform. And if we look at my liquidity, I'm getting 52 Orca. I'm comfortable with that. Thank you.